In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send quote in Ownerrez. We'll walk through the process from the main Ownerrez dashboard all the way to sending the quote by email. This is a simple task, but it helps to know exactly where to click so you can move through it quickly and avoid missing anything. Start by going to Ownerrez and signing into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu, and that's where you'll access the quote section. From that left side menu, click on Quote. This will take you to the area where your existing quotes are listed. If you manage multiple inquiries or bookings, this page may contain several records, so take a moment to locate the correct quote you want to send. Once you find the quote, open it. This brings you into the quote details page where you can review the information before sending it out. It's always a good idea to pause here briefly and make sure you're inside the correct quote, especially if you're working quickly or handling multiple guest requests at the same time. After you're inside the quote, look for the send quote option and click it. This will open the email sending screen connected to that quote. At this point, Ownerrez prepares the quote to be emailed and you'll be able to confirm who it's going to. Next, add the recipient's name in the To field. Make sure the information is correct before moving forward, since this is what helps ensure the quote is sent to the intended person. Accuracy here is important, especially when you want your communication to look professional and organized. Once everything looks good, click send email. That completes the process and sends the quote out from Ownerrez. And that's it. To recap, you go to Ownerrez, use the left side menu to open the quote section, find and open the correct quote, click send quote, add the recipient's name, and then click send email. If you're sending quotes regularly, getting comfortable with this workflow can save time and help you respond to guests more efficiently. It also helps keep your communication consistent, since everything is being sent directly through Ownerrez. Follow these same steps anytime you need to send a new quote, and you'll be able to handle it smoothly every time.